Have you ever noticed someone who just glows? That inner radiance that seems to emanate from within, reflecting a sense of health and vitality? It's captivating, isn't it? We often admire that effortless beauty, wondering what their secret is. Looking fresh and confident without seeming overly made up, it's a look that suggests ease and self-assurance, a quiet confidence that draws people in. It's not about masking imperfections, but rather highlighting the features that make you uniquely you. That's the magic of natural makeup. It's about enhancing, not hiding. It's a philosophy that celebrates your inherent beauty, allowing your personality to shine through. It enhances your features, not hides them. Think of it as a subtle art form, a way to accentuate your best assets without creating a mask. It's about working your natural complexion and bone structure, rather than trying to completely transform them. This look is about celebrating your individuality. It's about embracing what makes you different, those unique quirks and features that set you apart. Natural makeup allows your personality to take center stage, and letting your real skin shine through. It's about prioritizing skincare and creating a healthy canvas, so that your natural beauty can truly radiate. Think of makeup as the finishing touch, rather than the foundation. In a world full of filters where everyone seems to be striving for an unattainable ideal, natural makeup is a return to authenticity. It's a refreshing reminder that real beauty lies in embracing our imperfections and celebrating our unique qualities. It's about feeling comfortable and confident in our own skin, without the need for artificial enhancements. The goal? To look like the best version of yourself. Healthy, rested, and radiant. It's about enhancing your natural glow and creating a look that reflects your inner vitality. Think of it as a way to boost your confidence and feel your best every single day. It's empowering, modern, and timeless, a style that transcends trends and celebrates enduring beauty. Proof that subtlety can be the most powerful statement. A touch of concealer, a hint of blush, a swipe of mascara, sometimes less really is more. This isn't a trend, it's a lifestyle. It's a philosophy of feeling comfortable and confident in your own skin. It's about embracing your natural beauty and letting it shine through, without feeling the need to conform to unrealistic standards. Perfect for any occasion, from a casual brunch to a sophisticated evening event. This approach is simple, versatile, and accessible to everyone. You don't need a huge collection of expensive products to achieve a natural, radiant look. Forget complicated routines. The focus here is on streamlining your beauty regimen and simplifying your life. Let's focus on quality, technique, and the power of a few carefully chosen products, and working with your unique features. Understanding your skin tone, eye shape, and face structure is key to creating a natural makeup look that truly enhances your beauty. You don't need to be a pro. This is all about learning simple techniques that you can easily incorporate into your daily routine. Just a few well-chosen products and the right guidance will help you curate your makeup bag with essential items that will help you achieve a flawless, natural look. We'll walk through each step, breaking down the process into manageable and easy-to-follow instructions, from skin prep to finishing touches, ensuring your skin is healthy and radiant before you even reach for your makeup. With practical tips along the way, designed to help you master the art of natural makeup. Think of this as a friendly chat, a relaxed and informal guide to unlocking your natural beauty potential, about unlocking your natural radiance and feeling confident in your own skin. Ready to discover the secrets to effortless everyday beauty? To learn how to enhance your natural features and create a look that makes you feel confident and radiant? Let's begin. Let's embark on this journey together and discover the transformative power of natural makeup. Before even thinking about makeup, remember that great skin is absolutely key. It's the foundation upon which any beautiful look is built. Taking the time to care for your skin will not only enhance your makeup, but also improve your skin's overall health and appearance in the long run. Think of your face as a canvas, the very foundation for your masterpiece. Smooth, hydrated skin makes everything look better. Makeup applies more evenly, colors appear more vibrant, and your natural radiance shines through. It's the secret to achieving that coveted lit-from-within glow. Start with a gentle cleanser to refresh your skin, removing any impurities, dirt, and excess oil that may have accumulated overnight or throughout the day. Choose a cleanser that's appropriate for your skin type, whether it's oily, dry, sensitive, or combination. Next, apply a serum. Serums are concentrated treatments that deliver potent ingredients directly to your skin. Hyaluronic acid for intense hydration, plumping up the skin and reducing the appearance of fine lines and wrinkles. It acts like a moisture magnet, drawing water from the air and locking it into your skin, or vitamin C for radiance, brightening your complexion and protecting your skin from environmental damage caused by free radicals. Vitamin C is also known for its collagen-boosting properties, helping to keep your skin firm and youthful. Let it absorb fully for that healthy glow. Give the serum a minute or two to penetrate your skin before moving on to the next step. Moisturizer is essential for all skin types, even oily skin. Choose a formula that suits your needs and massage it in to boost circulation, promoting a healthy, radiant complexion. Massaging also helps the moisturizer absorb more effectively into the skin. Don't forget sunscreen, the most important step in any skincare routine. SPF 30 or higher every day as your final skincare step, regardless of the weather. Sunscreen protects your skin from harmful UV rays that can cause premature aging, sun damage, and even skin cancer. Modern sunscreens are lightweight and layer perfectly under makeup, without feeling greasy or heavy. This simple routine preps your skin, creating a smooth and even surface for makeup application. For a flawless, natural finish, your makeup will glide on effortlessly and blend seamlessly into your skin. Consistency is more important than a dozen products. Sticking to a simple, effective routine day in and day out will yield far better results than sporadically using a multitude of products. With the right prep, your makeup will look better, enhancing your natural features and creating a polished, refined look, and last longer, minimizing the need for touch-ups throughout the day. A well-prepped base helps your makeup adhere to your skin, preventing it from fading, creasing, or smudging. Protect your skin now for lasting beauty. Investing in your skin's health is an investment in your future appearance. With your skin prepped and ready, let's move on to creating your base and building your desired makeup look. Now that your skin is prepped and hydrated, we can move on to creating a natural-looking base. This step is all about enhancing your complexion while still letting your natural beauty shine through. We want to even out the skin tone and create a smooth canvas for the rest of your makeup. Primer is optional. It's a product that can help create a smooth canvas for your foundation. Use it only where needed, perhaps to target specific concerns like enlarged pores, uneven texture, or to enhance the longevity or glow of your makeup. If you have oily skin, a mattifying primer can be a game changer. When it comes to foundation, choose a lightweight formula. A light foundation will even out your skin tone without feeling heavy or cakey. Alternatively, you could opt for a tinted moisturizer, which provides a sheer wash of color and hydration, or a BB cream that not only evens out your skin tone, but also offers skincare benefits like SPF and antioxidants. The key is to find a shade that matches your skin perfectly, blending seamlessly for a natural look. Apply sparingly, focusing on areas where you need the most coverage, such as the center of your face. Remember, you can always build up the coverage if needed. Blend the product from the center of your face outwards, using a damp sponge, a brush, or your fingertips. This technique ensures a seamless finish, preventing harsh lines and creating a natural, airbrushed effect. Concealer is your secret weapon for brightening under eyes and concealing blemishes or any imperfections you want to minimize. For the under eye area, use a concealer that's 1 or 2 shades lighter than your skin tone to create a brightening effect. For spots and blemishes, choose a concealer that's a perfect match to your skin tone to avoid drawing attention to the area. Tap and blend the concealer gently using your ring finger or a small brush. Avoid dragging or rubbing, as this can irritate the skin and create a cakey appearance. The goal is to achieve invisible coverage that seamlessly blends into your foundation. To ensure your base lasts all day, set only the areas where needed with a translucent powder. Focus on the T-zone, forehead, nose, and chin, and under the eyes, as these areas tend to get oily throughout the day. Avoid heavy powder application all over the face, as this can make your skin look dry and flat. We want to maintain a natural, healthy glow. The ultimate goal is to achieve even, radiant skin that still looks like you. It's about enhancing your natural features, not masking them. Always shade match your foundation and concealer in natural light for the most accurate result. This will prevent you from choosing a shade that's too light or too dark, ensuring a seamless blend with your natural skin tone. Remember, less is often more. Embrace your natural beauty and let it shine through. The key is to enhance, not to hide. With a flawless base achieved, you're now perfectly prepped and ready to add color and dimension to your face. Now let's add some life and vibrancy back to your face with the next steps. Next up, we'll be moving on to blush and bronzer to sculpt and define your features. Now let's bring warmth and vibrancy to your face. Cream or liquid blushes melt into skin for a natural flush. Pick a shade that mimics your own blush. Smile, dab onto the apples of your cheeks, and blend upward for a lifted look. Build color gradually for a believable glow. Bronzer isn't for harsh contouring, use it to add gentle warmth. Choose a shade just a bit deeper than your skin and sweep it along your forehead, cheeks, and jawline. A light dusting across your nose adds a sun-kissed touch. Use a fluffy brush for a soft, diffused effect. Avoid anything too orange or shimmery. The combination of blush and bronzer brings your complexion to life. It's all about subtle, harmonious color. Next, let's add a touch of glow. Highlighter is all about subtle radiance. Choose a cream or liquid formula for a dewy, natural finish. Pick a shade that flatters your skin. Champagne for fair, gold for medium, bronze for deep. Tap a small amount onto the tops of your cheekbones, brow bone, and Cupid's bow. Avoid glitter. Look for a fine, pearlescent sheen. Blend with your fingertip for a seamless effect. The result? A healthy, lit-from-within glow that catches the light beautifully. Less is more, just a hint is enough. Now let's frame your face with natural brows. Brows frame your face. Keep them soft and natural. Use a fine pencil or tinted gel to fill sparse areas with light, hair-like strokes. Match your brow color or go a shade lighter for a softer look. Focus definition on the arch and tail, keeping the front diffused. Brush through with a spoolie to blend and set. The goal fuller, groomed brows that enhance your features. Let's move to the eyes. For eyes, subtle definition is key. Sweep a neutral matte shadow a shade or two deeper than your skin across your lids. Add a touch of a deeper shade to the outer corner for depth. Tightline with a brown pencil or press dark shadow into the lash line for invisible definition. Curl your lashes. This instantly opens the eyes. Apply 1 or 2 coats of mascara, focusing on the outer lashes for a fluttery effect. A light touch on the bottom lashes is optional. The result: bigger, brighter eyes without obvious makeup. Now let's finish with lips. Lips should look soft, healthy, and effortless. Prep with a gentle exfoliation and nourishing balm. Choose a sheer lipstick, tinted balm, or lip stain close to your natural lip color. Dab on color and blend with your fingertip for a diffused look. For extra definition, softly fill lips with a nude pencil before balm. Avoid heavy, opaque formulas. Let your natural texture show. The result? A polished, understated lip that completes the look. Let's set everything in place. The final step: lock in your look and boost radiance. Use a hydrating or dewy setting spray to melt makeup together and remove any powdery finish. Hold the bottle 8-10 inches away and mist in an X and T pattern. Let it air dry. Don't touch your face. Your makeup will look seamless, fresh, and last all day. Remember, these steps are a guide. Make them your own. Makeup should feel joyful and personal. Celebrate your unique features and let your natural beauty shine. Confidence is the best finishing touch. You're ready to face the day, looking and feeling your best. Thank you so much for watching. If you love natural and homemade beauty tips, make sure to like this video, leave a comment with your favorite tip, and subscribe for more inspiring content. Your support helps us grow and bring you even more beauty secrets. See you in the next video.